Okay, so here is how you can print out a class set of reports for students to take home with all of their NWEA information for them. So if you go to View Reports, Map Growth Reports, mine might look a little bit different than yours just because I have a couple of schools in here. What you want is student progress, and you should have student progress. So again, I went to Map Growth Reports, Student Progress, and if you click on that one, choose your school. Next. Oh, you know what? 1 second. You do want to have be in winter of 2018-19. It already has auto changed to spring, so you do want it in winter. So if not, there won't be anything there. So I'm going to use Mr. Gerks because he always lets me use his. So I'm going to go to Fort Morgan High School. Next, find your name, and I'm sure you might just have your name and not everyone. So I'm going to go and clear all these, go to Gerk, then go to the class that you want, which would be your advisory or your CCR class. So I'm going to go to there, and I'd select all your students if you want. Everything here should be auto-filled pretty much, and so we're not going to be able to see any growth yet or anything like that. It will show a bar graph, 1 PDF per student. No, 1 PDF per grade. You do not want to do 1 PDF per student, or for 20 kids, you're going to have to open 20 PDFs. This will make 1 PDF for your whole class. And then your district grade level mean, make sure that's on there, and the norm, but it should be auto-filled. So create PDF report. It does take a little bit. It'll say something like, we're working to put together your report request, check back later to download the report. So where they come out is in the reports queue. So if you go to the reports queue, these are all the ones that I've done so far. I'm going to do all that. These are all the ones I made before. So it should come up like this. It'll show you when you place your order in progress. I have found that if you refresh the page quite often, all of a sudden it'll pop up. So sometimes it won't pop up, but when I hit auto refresh, all of a sudden it'll be there. I want to kind of open it so that I can show you about printing it. Oh, come on. There we go. So if I view this, it comes up here like a PDF of all the kids. If you print them in black and white, they actually turn out pretty good. This is definitely a darker black. This is more of a in-between gray, and then this is a lighter gray. So clearing them in color isn't actually necessary. The thing is, so here's Elena Arteaga. It'll show math, reading, language, and science is on the next page. So as long as all of your kids have taken both tests, then you can do print front to back to save paper. You might want to just run through and make sure, because if they were absent for a test and they don't have a test in there, then theirs will all be on one page, and then you can have some issues if you do it front to back. So you just might want to run through, make sure that all of yours are front to back. If you want one teacher, like your English teacher, to hand them out to all the kids, then they could go through and do their 5 classes or however many that they have. So it doesn't have to be the homeroom advisory, but it's just kind of a nice way to do it. So yeah, and this one looks like there's all the kids with all the tests, and so then you could print it. It's also an even number of pages, 42, so I can make a guess that all the kids have taken all 4 of the tests, and in case 2 people haven't, it would still come out to be an even number, so just be careful with that. Okay, and then just hit print. You can run them front to back and hand them out. Let me know if you need anything else. Bye.